Have you ever been in a situation where you've completed a project for a client and then had to chase them down for payment? Can be frustrating and time-consuming. That's why I'm here today to talk about HoneyBook payment methods. HoneyBook is a project management and invoicing software that makes it easy to get paid for your work. One of the great things about HoneyBook is that it offers a variety of payment methods, so you can choose the one that's best for you and your clients. In this video, I'm going to discuss the different payment methods that HoneyBook accepts. I'll also talk about the pros and cons of each method. Payment methods. Credit card. This is the most common payment method used with HoneyBook. Credit cards are accepted from all major card issuers. Bank transfer. This is a good option for clients who don't have a credit card or who prefer to pay by bank transfer. ACH payment. ACH payments are electronic bank transfers that are initiated by the client's bank. This is a good option for businesses that have a lot of recurring clients. PayPal. PayPal is a popular online payment method that can be used with HoneyBook. This is a good option for clients who don't have a credit card or who prefer to use a third-party payment processor. Invoice. Clients can also pay invoices directly through HoneyBook. This is a good option for clients who prefer to pay by check or cash. Pros and cons of each payment method. Credit card. Pros. Easy to use. Accepted by most clients. Secure. Cons. Can be expensive for clients due to transaction fees. Bank transfer. Pros. Free for clients. Secure. Cons. Can take a few days for the funds to clear. ACH payment. Pros. Free for clients. Fast. Secure. Cons. Not all clients are familiar with ACH payments. PayPal. Pros. Easy to use. Accepted by many clients. Secure. Cons. Can be expensive for clients due to transaction fees. Invoice. Pros. Free for clients. Flexible. Cons. Can take longer to get paid than other methods. HoneyBook offers a variety of payment methods to make it easy for you to get paid for your work. When choosing a payment method, it's important to consider the needs of your clients and your own preferences. If you're not already using HoneyBook, I encourage you to give it a try. It's a great tool that can help you save time and get paid faster. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on using HoneyBook. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.